Welcome to dptutorials. In this video, you will discover two easy methods to list all files in a folder into an Excel worksheet. Whether you need to organize, analyze or track files, these techniques will save you time and effort. Follow our step-by-step tutorial to learn how to effortlessly generate a comprehensive list of files in a folder directly into Excel. First method. Navigate to the target folder you want to list the files from. This is my folder for example. Copy the folder path. Then launch any browser as per your wish. Paste the copied folder path into the address bar of the browser. Once you press enter, you will be seeing the complete files list like this along with the properties like modified date. Now simply press Ctrl A to select all and then Ctrl C to copy this list. Go to the Excel worksheet and paste it here. That's it. It's very simple, right? Now let us see the second method. In this new sheet, go to Formulas tab and click on Name Manager. In this Name Manager dialog box, click on New. Here, give a name like Files. In the Refers to field, type the formula as equals to Files, open the parenthesis and select the A1 cell and close the parenthesis and click OK. Close the Name Manager dialog box. Now copy the folder path and paste it here in cell A1 and then add / asterisk at the end. In cell A4, type the formula as equals to index, open the parenthesis, files, comma, row, open parenthesis, close the parenthesis, -3 and close the parenthesis. And press enter to see a file name. If you drag this formula till bottom until you see the reference error, which means that all files have been listed here. Got it? So this is our second method. So you have learned two easy methods to list all files in a folder into an Excel worksheet through this video. Utilize these techniques to organize, analyze and track your files more efficiently. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful Excel tutorials. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching.